For centuries, more and better were two oxen pulling humanity forward. More was better. More food, more infrastructure, more markets, more wealth. We got more, and our lives got better. Because when you don't have enough, more is better. Don't have enough to eat? More food is better. Don't have a safe, warm place to live? Having a house is better. Don't have a job? More work is better. But once you get enough, the oxen's paths diverge. When you have enough to eat, just piling on more food doesn't really make life better. You have to ask a different question, not how can I get more food, but how can I get better food, or food that gives me better health. If you have a job that pays at least a living wage, you no longer have to ask, how can I work more hours? But you might want to know, how can I get a better job that gives me dignity and purpose, or a better hourly wage that lets me spend more time with my family? Switching from asking, how do I get more, to how do I get better is hard enough in our individual lives, but collectively it's even harder because our whole economy is set up to get more, not better. Every quarter, companies have to show their stockholders they're selling more widgets, making more profit, so the stock price can grow and our GDP can grow. But are all those widgets really making our lives better? Are those profits being used to make our relationships stronger, our communities more beautiful, our spiritual lives richer, our peace more lasting? Unfortunately, the answer is often no. Not only does more no longer equal better, but more and better sometimes are in direct conflict. Working longer hours doesn't just make your life not better, it actually eats away at time with family. More widgets don't just not make our world better, they eat away at the only place we can call home. So, what constitutes a better life, the good life? Religion and research tell us that a better life means better relationships with friends and family, a sense of connection to our community, compassion for others, and a feeling of purpose. More widgets will not get us there. We need to accept that more is not always better and start recalibrating our economy, our government, and our corporations to be sure we're striving for better.